Welcome to Academia Sinica. Today, we are all happy to have this report published by Future Earth and released this week. It's only a few days released this report, so it's not enough time to look into the details. That's why we're sitting all together this morning. We hope we can have a fruitful discussion this morning. Then we're going to get all information. We may have a comment report later. Well, the first program this morning, President Liao would like to give a opening, also a summary to this report. Welcome, President Liao.
Thank you, Dr. Chen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Academia Sinica. Thank you for participating in today's launch event for the report, Our Future on Earth 2020. On behalf of Academia Sinica, the host of Future Earth Taipei, on behalf of all the participants, I appreciate everybody's effort, and I'm glad to see this annual report is released this week. The human society today is standing on a crossroads, as presented in the foreword by the former Prime Minister of Norway, Gro Brundtland. But no matter how severe the challenge we are facing today, I still believe science can create a way to a better, cleaner, and more peaceful future if we can learn from the past and work together. After reading this report, I wanted to share with you a few points. First, the year 2020 is critical. This is because of several reasons. Number one, climate-related impacts and risks have become more significant in recent years. Two, public opinion and media attention have been calling for climate actions more so than ever. In addition, it is only 10 years away from 2030 when we have to reach the goals set by Paris Agreement, Sustainable Development Goals, and the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction. Therefore, 2020 is a critical time for us to recalibrate our efforts against the above agenda. Second, systematic risk calls for a new paradigm. This report summarizes the physical and social impacts of climate and environmental changes. For example, food, water, ocean, biodiversity, and forest migration. These impacts are often interconnected, which makes it complicated to solve and to study. Traditional paradigms, that is, single-disciplinary, single-agency, expert-driven, have been proven to be insufficient to manage this risk for our future world. Therefore, a new paradigm emphasizing multilateral collaboration has been generated in facing these emerging risks. Third, proactive actions are urgently needed. As said in the report, in 2020, we can no longer claim that we are unaware of the environmental change. Its impacts are of social, political, and in political importance. It gets more serious than before, such as the erosion of societal trust, rising inequality, populism, and false information transmission, and of course, the spread of infectious diseases as we are facing today. Therefore, proactive actions are urgently needed for governing these problems. The efficient ways that we can minimize the gap between the knowledge and action is to have scientists working together with stakeholders. These are what Future Earth has been pursuing for years. Lastly, this report is written by many authors, and it serves as a starting point for stimulating further discussion. Scientists from different disciplines and stakeholders are all encouraged to share your thoughts after you read this report. Based on all of your ideas, collaborative research and actions can be implemented. This report serves as an inspiration for a new chapter in human society that demonstrates how humanity works together to force emergent global risks, how various institutions and individuals adopt actions towards a more sustainable future. Thank you to all the authors, in particular, Dr. Amy Liao. Your efforts set a basis for us to create a novel way in scientific research for a sustainable future. Academia Sinica and Future Earth Taipei are ready to take on this challenge and hope you can join us to contribute in critical transition toward a sustainable future. Let's work together. Thank you.